Libby, who's in the mirror? Who's in the mirror? Who's in there? Who's in there? Hello.
Take a picture of me too. Okay.
Where'd the baby go? That's in the mirror. Hi. I'm taking a video. Here, look at Olivia in the mirror. Who's in the mirror?
Okay.
Where's the baby? Where's the baby in the mirror? Do you see her?
I'm gonna clean up the box.
Where'd she go? Is she behind there?
I want you to clean up the box.
Is she behind there?
So,
She's not behind there.
I want to clean up the box.
Okay. I'll help you.
You should go in there
Where
too.
is she?
You should go in there too.
Where'd the baby go?
Look at me.
Is that a cute baby?
Look at me, Mom.